Hello Awesome Equestrians. I have a fun video for you today. I don't know if you remember, but about a week and a half or so ago I shared with you guys some really cool deals from Jeffers Equine, and every Friday they have what's called Frugal Fridays, and I made an order and the box came today, so we're gonna open up the box and see what's inside.
I'm ready. It really good.
So the first thing that's inside is a Jeffers catalog. And they have some deals on there too. Pretty fun stuff. And this is the first thing I got. I don't know. It's just a simple cotton lead rope in white. Because this is the lead rope I have been using, and it's just little. And the snap is pretty little, but I like it. But I needed an extra one. So I got this one. And that's a 10-foot long lead rope with a brass snap. I like these type of snaps better than the bull snaps because it's easier to release the little snap. So it's just like this lead rope, only it's bigger. And the brass matches my horse's halter. So I'm super happy about that. Now we'll go to the really fancy thing I got. So this is what I got. It is an English bridle in black, and it has green trim on the browband and on the caveson. And just like I thought, I'm super happy about this. It has a flash attachment, but I don't usually use a flash with either one of my horses. And I can remove it. Boom. Done. So now my flash noseband is just a regular noseband, and it's just a regular snaffle bridle, which is good. The leather feels pretty good for what the cost of this bridle was. It's not bad at all. This bridle cost $24.99, and this was one of their Frugal Friday deals. And considering what I got for $25, I am very happy with that purchase. And it even came complete with a set of web reins. And those aren't horrible. They're not super, you know, like $500 reins or anything. But for what I do with my horses, they're perfect. And I really like them. And it even has the little stoppers for, like, if you had a running martingale attached. And the green is not quite a hunter green, but it's not bad. And it's really soft. So I think I'm going to put my bit on this, and then we'll put it on Ethan and see how well it fits him. wants to come out and play too. He's like, Frisby got to play, now it's my turn to play. He wants to play. But that'll come in just a few minutes. So that was my Frugal Friday unboxing deals from Jeffers Equine. Like I said before, I think I ordered them a week and a half ago, and they just came today, and I really wanted to share them with you. So those are the kinds of things that they have on their Frugal Friday deals, and I'm really impressed with the bridle. These I actually like better than the reins that I have on my Dover black bridle that I got. They're a little bit heavier, and I think they'll work just fine. The leather is really good for a $25 bridle. You can't beat it. So very happy with my bridle, and I am very happy with my new $5 lead rope. That was a good deal too. And if you'd like to learn more about my DIY projects, product reviews, and how you can be a budget equestrian, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss anything. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.